Hi. There you go. So, ASMR with this, of course. I still can't believe that I got this for $10. I just think it's a rip-off. Because it's a fidget spinner. Yeah, it can have a keychain. It's can be handheld. It gives good pops. And it's great colours. And it's very cheap. 6 things and why to buy it. They also have different colours. They don't just have black. My mum said that I couldn't get white because it can get dirty easily, but I don't believe in that because this is actual plastic. So there's black, pink, white, green I think, yellow I think too. Well, there was a ton of other colours. Then there's a ton of puppets there, which I don't really suggest to get because they're some of the worst ones I've ever gotten. Sorry to the people who made them, but they're some of the worst puppets I've ever seen. Because they break easily, that's where you can improve on. You can improve on it so there's more animals like sloths, and you can make it so there's better pops. After I do these pops, you would want to hear what my brother calls the triple dimples. Now we're taking this seriously. Because the triple dimples. Fidget spinner puppet. He hasn't heard of dimples before. That's probably why. He thinks dimples is a rip-off of puppets. It's not. I have reasons why. It can be handheld. Well, puppets, well, they can be handheld and popped like this. Well, you have to have 2 hands because it can slip out easily. They can pop out easily. And it's just better 2 hands for puppets. And then with the front hand is better for triple dimples. Second reason is because these triple dimples have fidget spinners. Wait, what was it? Well, simple dimples, triple dimples are better and simple dimples. Because they can be handheld, they're fidget spinners, well these are. Puppets cannot be fidget spinners. But they can be different animals, but that makes it worse. Dimples can come in different colours. Glow in the dark ones can, but they won't glow in the dark. That makes it boring. They have more colours. They have green, blue, yellow, orange. That's fun. Well, glow in the dark, plain green. Ugh. There's another reason why I suggest to get triple dimples or simple dimples or any dimple instead of a puppet. Bye. Firefly puppets. You can. It's just my. It's just my I forgot what they're called. It's just my opinion. I don't suggest to get puppets, but it's okay if some of you decline. Like puppets more than dimples, but that's fine because like dimples more than puppets. This is my first dimple, and I know a ton of you are looking for dimples. Dimples you can get at in only an SA at the like a bargain shop near Spotlight in TG Plaza, and yeah. Also, you can get my little friend here. That had Peanut right now. It's just mad. You can also get him at get a bargain store. You can also get puppets there and triple dimples. And guess what? A puzzle ball. Oh yeah. Yes, you heard me. A puzzle ball. A puzzle ball. I really want a puzzle ball. But I'm gonna try to get one for my birthday. Well, if I get enough money, I'll see how much it is and I'll get it. Or I might get more fidgets out there, because Better Bargains has the best fidgets. So I suggest to go there right now, and it's got new glasses by the way, and get a fidget as soon as I can. Bye!